everyone, welcome to Simple Beauty channel. Today I am going to teach you how to reduce dark circle under eyes, puffiness and eye bags.
Dark circles under the eyes are usually caused by being tired. Sometimes, what appear to be dark circles under your eyes may just be shadow cast by puffy eyelids or empty under your eyes that develop as a normal part of aging. Dark circles under the eyes usually are not a medical problem.
Now we will see what are the ingredients needed for this treatment.
A cucumber cut into small pieces. Cut the cotton pads in half and set aside. Add the cucumber to a blender and mix until smooth. Don't add water. Blend the cucumber and put in a bowl. Dip cotton round one by one into the mixture. Place in the freezer for 2-3 hours. Take out and use as needed. Putting cucumbers over your eyes to treat dark circles and puffy skin is probably one of the best beauty remedies. Having a cooling effect on the skin, hydrating the eyes and surrounding tissues, reducing dark circles due to the high levels of vitamin K. Place under the eyes and leave on for about 12-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it. See you in next video.